नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 6 सोशल साइंस सेम 1 चैप्टर नंबर 1 अर्ली स्टेट्स ऑफ पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इन इंडियाज वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चन एंड राइट इट्स इंडेक्स लेटर अल्फाबेट इन द प्रोवाइडेड बॉक्स अगेंस्ट ईच क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट है हाउ मेनी महाजनपद्स वेर देयर, तो देर इज 16 महाजनपद मीन्स सी। 2 number, in which period Mahajanpads were there? So C, post-Vedic. Third number, which of the following state was called a republic? So D, Vaishali. Fourth number, how many types of state systems were established in Janpad? So B, 2. 5 number, from which scriptures is the information about political system in India not found? So C, Bhagavad Gita. 6 number, how was the form of statehood in Vedic period? So B, Kabilai rule, tribal governance system. 7 number, in the sense of what was the word Janpad used? So A, state. 8 number, according to which book written in Pali language were there 16 Mahajanpad in the post-Vedic period? So D, Anguttara Nikaya. 9 number, which was the capital of Malla Mahajanpad? So C, Kushinara. 10 number, Saraswati was the capital of which Mahajanpad? So C, Koshal. 11 number, the state territory of which Mahajanpad was the region near Delhi and Meerut? So D, Kuru. 12 number, Viratnagar was the capital of which Mahajanpad? So B, Matsya. 13 number, who was the considered president in the monarchy system? So D, king. 14 number, which of the following states had the monarchy system? So A, Magad. 15 number, which of the following was called republic state? So C, Vaishali. 16 number, which state was the most powerful among the 16 Mahajanpad? So B, Magad. 17 number, who established Haryanka dynasty? So D, Bimbisara. 18 number, in whose times did Patliputra become the capital of Magad? So B, Ajatsatru. 19 number, which of the following kings was the ruler of the Nag dynasty? So C, Sisu Nag. 20 number, who created the first empire in India? So B, Mahapadmanand. 21 number, which king ruled over Magad when Sikandar invaded India? So D, Dhananand. 22 number, what status was given to each member in the republic state? So A, king. 23 number, what was the main center of Vaji Union State Republic? So D, Vaishali. 24 number, who had the power of the state in the republic? So C, members. 25 number, what was the name of the place where the Sabha met in republic? So A, sanctum. 26 number, what was the form of administration of republic state? So C, democratic. 27 number, in republic state which committee would assist the president in state administration? So D, executive committee. 28 number, what part of farming did the farmers use to give us tax to the treasury in Mahajanpad governance system? So B, 6. 29, what did the cattle rearers give as a part of tax? So D, cattles. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, the head was called Rajanya in the Kabilai rule, tribal governance system. Second, the word Janpad was used in the sense of state. Third number, the area near Gorakhpur was a boundary area of Mallam Mahajanpad. Fourth, Vaisali was the capital of Vaji Mahajanpad. Fifth, the book Anguttara Nikaya is written in Pali language. Sixth, the capital of Magad was Rajgiri, Girivraj. 7 number, Ajatsatru made Patliputra, Patan, the capital. 8 number, Nand dynasty established the Mahapadmanand was the most powerful dynasty. 9 number, the common meaning of Gan is mass. 10 number, the state of the king chosen by the people was called Republic State. 11 number, the main center of Vaji state of Union state was Vaishali, the capital of Lichavis. 12 number, the Republic The place where meeting was held was called sanctum. 13 number, in the republic time more often people used the vessels made from clay. 14 number, in republic time painted clay vessel was called painted vessel. 15 number, artisan used to work done one day in a month for the state in republic time. 16 number, during the type of Mahajanpat farming was improved due to the use of iron tool. Question number 3, put a tick marks right in the box against the following statement if they are true and a cross wrong if they are false. First, Janpad means the position given to the man. So wrong statement. Second number, about 20 Mahajanpads were are seen in India around the 16th century. So wrong statement. Third number, Champa was the capital of Anga Mahajanpad. To right statement. Fourth number, Lajpur was the capital of Gandhar Mahajanpad. To wrong statement. Fifth number, in the time of Buddha, the state of Magad came a powerful Mahajanpad. To right statement. Sixth number, Bimbisara and Ajatsatru were the great king of Avanti. To wrong statement. Seven number, Sisunag was associated with Jainism. To wrong statement. Eight number, Nag dynasty came to the power after the Haryanka dynasty in Magad. To right statement. Nine number, the name of Bimbisara's son was Ajatsatru. The right statement. 10 number, the republic is the state ruled by the head elected directly or indirectly by the people. The right statement. 11 number, the state governor with the help of more than one member can be called a republic. The right statement. 12 number, the union state formed by the republic state was known as Maha Union State. The wrong statement. 13 number, only elders were selected as a member in the assembly of republic state. The wrong statement. 14 number, the people lived in simple houses in the time of republic state. Right statement. 15 number, all the works in the republic assembly were passed unanimously. Right statement. 16 number, cattle rears used to give grain as a part of tax in republic times. The wrong statement. Question number 4, match the pairs correctly. First लिच्छवीस, तो आएगा आंसर 5 नंबर वैशाली. सेकंड शक्य, तो 4 नंबर कपिल वस्तु. थर्ड विदेहा, तो मिथिला. फोर्थ मल्ल, तो थर्ड कपिल वस्तु. सेकंड अंग, तो आंसर इज चंपा. पंचाल, तो आंसर इज अचित्र कंपालिया. थर्ड सूरसेना, तो आंसर इज मथुरा. कंबोज, तो आंसर इज लाजपुर. थर्ड नंबर वत्स, तो आंसर इज फोर्थ नंबर द रीजियन नियर प्रयागराज उत्तर प्रदेश. अवंती, तो आंसर इज द रीजियन ऑफ मलवा फर्स्ट नंबर. मत्स्य, तो आंसर इज 5 नंबर द रीजियन नियर जयपुर राजस्थान. फोर्थ नंबर कंबोज, तो द आंसर थर्ड नंबर द रीजियन नियर साउथ वेस्ट कश्मीर. Question number 5, answer the following question in one or two sentences. First, which political organization existed in the Vedic period? The political organization named Sabha, Assembly and Samiti committee existed in the Vedic period. Second, by what other name was the community known in earlier state system? Community was known by the name Vis in earlier state system. Third number, when and in which area were the earlier state established in India? So in India, the earlier states were established about 1000 BC in the area of Punjab and Ganga River. Fourth number, which type of state system was the Janpad? So the Janpad was a state system of Rigvedic age developed in a very special way from the Kabilai rule. Fifth number, which two types of governance system were there in Mahajanpad? So there were two types of governance system in Mahajanpad as follow: monarchy and republic. Sixth number, at present, what is considered as the boundary area of Kuru Mahajanpad? So at present, the region near Delhi and Meerut is considered as the boundary area of Kuru Mahajanpad. 7 number, which period is considered as the period of Mahajanpad in India? So post-Vedic period is considered as the period of Mahajanpad in India. 8 number, among which state was there competition for power? So there was a competition among states like Magad, Koshal, Vatsa and Avanti for power. 9 number, which were the two great kings of the Haryanka dynasty? So the two great kings of the Haryanka dynasty were Bimbisara and Ajatsatru. 10 number, who changed the capital of Magad where? So the capital of Magad was Rajgiri, Girivraj, but Ajatsatru changed it to Patliputra Patan as the capital of Magad. 11 number, With whom did Ajatasattu fight to extend the area of the state of Magad? Ajatasattu fought with Vaji Union, defeated Lichvis and extended the area of state of Magad. 12 number. Who was considered to be the first Indian emperor? Mahapadmanand, the king of Nand dynasty, was considered to be the first Indian emperor. 13 number. Which three powerful dynasty ruled over Magad in post-Vedic period? So the three powerful dynasties ruled over Magad in post-Vedic period were एक हरियाणा dynasty, 2 Nag dynasty and 3 Nand dynasty. 14 number. What is called republic state? So the states ruled by the head elected directly or indirectly by the people is called republic state. 15 number. The states of which people are included in republic state, so the Lichvis of Vaisali, Sakya of Kapilvastu, Videha of Mithila, Malla of Kusinara, etc. state of the people are included in republic states. 16 number. Why would the state be called a republic? So the governance of the state administration was done by the Sabha council, so it was called republic. 17 number. What is sanctum? In republic state, the place where meeting was held was called sanctum. 18 number. Which crops did the people of republic states grow? So the people of republic state used to grow wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, pulse, etc. 19 number. How were some of the vessels that were found in the republic time? Some of the vessels found in the republic time were painted with grey colors. Question number 6. Answer the following question. First, introduce the Haryanka dynasty as the dynasty ruling over Magad. Haryanka dynasty was very powerful among the dynasty ruling over Magad. Bimbisara established Haryanka dynasty. Rajgriha, Girivraj, was the capital of Magad in his time. Rajgriha was situated on the banks of the Ganga and Son river. After Bimbisara, his son Ajatasattu came to the throne of Magad. He changed the capital of Magad from Rajgriha to Patliputra, Patan. Ajatasattu fought with Vaji Union, defeated the Lichvis and extended the area of the state of Magad. Second number. Why did the rulers of Mahajanpad build strong forts? So the monarchy state of republic time became ambitious to establish the empire by increasing their power on their surrounding territories. In these circumstances, the rulers of Mahajanpad built strong and high forts of stones and bricks around the capital for the defense of their states and had huge armies. Moreover, some of the kings built large, tall, and magnificent walls around their kingdoms to show their power and prosperity. Third number. State the four characteristics of the governors of the republic. The first, the administration of the republic state was governed by the Sabha. Second, elders and youths were selected as member of the Sabha. Third, in republic state, each member was considered as the king. Every member enjoyed the membership till a fixed period of time. Fourth, the place of Sabha was known as sanctum. Fifth, an executive committee assisted the president of the republic in state administration. Question number 4. State briefly the difference between the monarchy and democratic system. The state policy of monarchy. First, the king is chief in monarchy state policy. Second, the king is supreme in a monarchy. Third, there are cabinet ministers to help the king. Fourth, the position of the king is hereditary. The state policy of democracy. First, representative elected by the people are chief in democratic state policy. Second, the head president of the house is main in state policy of democracy. Third, the cabinet helps the president in the state policy of democracy. Fourth, the people of the region elected their representatives इन दी स्टेट पॉलिसी ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. ओके, इसी के साथ हमारा ये चैप्टर यहाँ पर खत्म हुआ. आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.